Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you all are fine and doing well at home. It's your art time, so take out your scrapbook and open this page. First of all, you will write here date and day. So today the date is 27/4 and today the day is Tuesday. After that you will write here CW. Okay students, our today's worksheet is color the picture. As you can see, this is night time. You can see stars and moon here, so you will color it according to the night time. So let's start from here. You will color in up down direction. Up down. You have to color it very neatly. Okay students, you can see we have done this. Now you will do the same. I hope you all have understood. Take care. Allah Hafiz.